Hey guys, welcome to the Agent J Plus community, the only community where we guarantee that you will actually build an app that automates your business and or your job within 90 days or money back guarantee. So why should you be learning or building AI automations? Well, in case you've been living under a rock, a company called Block, which is Jack Dorsey, ex-Twitter CEO, just laid off half of his workforce, over 4,000 employees. Why? Because AI automations can do it. So, key takeaway, AI is just replacing a few jobs anymore. It's quite literally running big companies now. So, and a few years ago, not even a few years ago, last year, we were talking in 2025, we're talking about, okay, AI is pretty good at coding. Now in 2026, we're saying AI's already replaced developers. Which AI tool is better, Codex or Claude Code? That's how fast the development, the technology is moving. The conversation has shifted. Can it do it too? It's already replacing developers. Now, which one is the better one? In my opinion, I think it's Claude Code, but in Agent J Plus, we will use both. Also, businesses are losing their crap right now because quite literally, they're not just competing against the business that's using AI, but they're competing against actual AI businesses. For example, Moltbook, which is an autonomous social media network with 1.5 million users, which are all AI agents, spread up out of nowhere. And now this is just a clear example of why you're not only just competing with businesses that use AI, but you're competing against AI-run businesses. It's all completely robotic run. So what do you do? Well, the uncomfortable truth is that AI isn't coming. It's already here. It's already accelerating, so you have to take action now. It's not just a few years away or decades away. It's now. So your choice is master AI tools and automations before it becomes irrelevant. So this is the survival strategy. Why learning just AI isn't enough. Individual tools like ChatGPT is great. It's like, okay, cool, it can summarize an email, cool, but it's not an AI system. It doesn't work 24/7 without human intervention like ClaudeBot or OpenClaude does. There isn't orchestrated workflows of AI agents that handle entire processes, run entire businesses, or run entire parts of your job, which is what we need now. So what is your learning roadmap? First, you start with the AIs, the level 1 and level 2 automations, which is the ChatGPTs, the Geminis, the Perplexity, the Claude. Honestly, you need to use all of them, because they're all great in their own ways. And then you move up to Claude Cowork. Claude Cowork is where you get introduced to actual automations. N8N is still really good. We're going to cover this in this course. And if you want, we'll help you build automations in N8N. Claude Code is even better. That's where Claude Cowork and Claude Code, you can use Claude Skills, which is very powerful automations. And OpenClaw is quite literally your own employee that runs 24/7 and does whatever you need to do, runs your sales, runs your marketing, runs your operations, etc. And we'll build that in this course. So we will literally go from zero to building AI jobs or AI systems that run your job and or your business. And this is our guarantee, a working automation in 90 days, or we'll work with you one-on-one until you got it. Money back guarantee if we can't. There will be 12 lessons that go throughout a 1-month period. So every month we do 12 lessons over 4 modules, and then we basically repeat that the next month. And we're always updating the curriculum and adding in the latest technology, because the technology is changing so freaking fast. You get office hours, weekly live Q&A to get unstuck fast multiple times a week in different time zones. We have a guy in Europe and we have a guy in the United States. Community, you build together, you have questions, we're there to help you, myself and 2 other highly experienced, trained individuals that run their own businesses, completely automated businesses with AI, including myself. I have 3 businesses I run with AI. These are the 4 modules that you will learn in addition to learning Claude Skills, Claude Cowork, N8N, and the other stuff. Number 1, the foundation AI fluency. It all starts there. So we're going to really beef up your understanding of the AI tools and master these AI tools. So you're not struggling with AI. AI is quite literally teaching you or running or building the tools for you. We're going to teach you that. Then we're going to teach you AI agents and the intelligence systems behind this. So you can design, deploy autonomous AI agents in ClaudeBot. You can deploy it in AI skills. You can deploy it in your own apps, etc. You're going to learn multimedia because the world, I don't know if you Nano Banana 2 is incredible. Veil 3 is incredible. It's only getting better and better and better. So as a business owner and as a person that your job, you don't need to rely on designers anymore. You got to do this with yourself with AI. So it's like super, super key. And then the last module is teaching you how to make your automation, your workflow production ready so that it actually goes into your business, into your job, and actually automates it. So the stack that we teach you in the Agent J Plus, Claude Cowork, N8N, Claude Code, OpenClaw. Every tool connected, every flow lines running around clock without you having to lift a finger. So guys, don't watch this, build. In 90 days, a working app, working workflow automation guaranteed. Let's go. I'll see you in Agent J Plus. Have a good one.